This guy here gave us a ring, and we are now working on derby cars. All right, we made a call yesterday to see how things were going. Hey, what's up? Yeah, we just got off the trail. Now things went well. Yeah, how are things going with the derby car? Oh, that's not good. No, we don't have anything going. No problem, man. It's all good. Glad to help. All right, see you in a bit. Things weren't going quite as well as we had expected, so this guy here gave us a ring. So we're gonna get some hammers going, see what we can get done. This thing's got to be at a derby tomorrow, so all hands on deck.
It's what time is it right now?
3:30.
3:30. We have to be in St. George tomorrow by this time. We got 24 hours to finish this car.
Sleep's overrated.
Yeah, we're a long ways from done. It's not painted. We got a lot to do, so we'll get going.
All right, here we go.
We might not be big enough to do that.
We've got some persuaders if you need it. We got the big hammer, and then the medium big, and whatever you need.
We're beating her around. Let's see where she ends up. How far up you want to crease it?
Just
You want to stay down here?
yeah.
And crease in?
Yep, if you can get that whole piece to fold right over and we can fold it into that,
Bring it back up to here.
we could get that something like that. That'll be perfect.
Like this side?
You guys ever build a derby car? First time or?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Have you ever been to one?
No.
Oh really?
No, the closest thing we got used to race in Santa Maria.
Yep.
And they had hobby stock cars.
Exactly.
Which was basically a circle track demolition derby.
Yep. Oh, this is gonna be cool then. These are, I mean, Robby's car's got a $15,000 motor in it. There's some serious money in this thing. So it's loud. It's like drag racing, but you're crashing. It's like 600 horse, full manual valve body, 513 gears. We'll hit 35 in the arena with each other. So.
Just smash in the side.
Oh yeah, but it's strategic. You're not just trying to hit people. You're trying to take a tire out, steering, disable their car so you don't have to keep hitting them.
Yeah, so they can't continue to be
Yep.
an
And this is a team show, so I have teammates. So it's 4 on 4. So technically the rules say that you're not supposed to have bumpers on the same car. So if I'm hitting one, I'm not supposed to hold it while my teammate hits it. They never call anything. We're going to be holding and hitting all night. And then as soon as we win, then we're turning on each other. We want to see who's actually the
Then it's just
best.
the last one.
Oh yeah, see who the best is in the whole thing.
You know how he wants those bolted in?
Yeah.
All right, we're good. So that hole right there is where you got to go. Okay, what's next?
The hood? How you want this hood done?
Oh,
I'm pretty sure that's how he wants it.
that's a valid question. So basically we just need to cut the structure
Just
out
cut
of it. Then we'll split it down the middle,
Okay.
fold it over and bolt it back together. Probably just cut down that, pull that whole inside out. We won't cut that out. That'll be your line going across.
Okay.
Cut it across here, roll it over, bolt it back together, and then we'll drill the holes for those and drill the put the back ones in it. Good luck. Good luck. As long as this clears the radiator and stuff, that should be fine. Yeah, now if you just split it up the middle, and then probably however wide that is, bolt it tight. And if you fold this one back up the other way, then I don't have sharp edges when you're reaching down inside. All right.
That thing the whole time.
Yeah, we should have used this the whole time. Yeah, I don't know whether we'd be less tired or more tired. That's a lot of hammer to swing. That is.
Maybe here, this side. Get the ground. I'll cut it. There we go. Ready? Material.
Dull.
Oh, there's a lot.
Man, go get one of them paper bits.
Okay.
told me to send it. He's like, it's good, just go run it. Okay.
More throttle.
That solves everything. Solves all of your problems. Nice save though. Don't die. What would Dar say? Don't force it. Get a bigger hammer. Jace's nickname is Lightning.
Alright, your turn. Pretty solid.
Alright, so we've made it to the actual derby. All the work we put in yesterday evening is here. We'll take you a little walk around and show you what we got here. Paul's car. Matt's wagon. We're gonna go over here and see if we can see some cars smashing into each other. What's your first impression of Demolition Derby? Dirty. What's your first impression of Demolition Derby?
They hit hard and they go fast.
Little Ricky Bobby right there. They hit hard and the car to go fast.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
The aftermath. We took a big face full of dust right at the beginning. Definitely sounds like burnt transmission, or smells like burnt transmission fluid. Matt tried to burn his way through the wall. Alright, derby's in the bag. Ended up YouTube team won. Took out the, I don't know what they're called. All in all, great night. We had a lot of fun. A lot of friends here. We'll be back to do this again. Maybe we might have to build a car. We'll see.
I'll drive it.
Yeah, I'm too stinking old to drive it, I think.
That was fun. Lots of fun. Crazy smashing, and the cars looked like they were already smashed when we got here, but I guess that's on purpose and they're supposed to be, so very cool. I'd do it again.
Yeah, I think we'll be back.
I don't know about on my birthday though.
Yeah, this was birthday present. No, birthday concession.
Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and we'll catch you on the next one.